Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party Youth Wing Meghalaya hapo ka jingelam jong President uba Agent Star Kurkalang Kalawan Chakman ban penchai pa ba halor ka jingmen toy na ka bapenan kam ya kalat ya dia thiet ka jukmenta klem da penan kam show ya ka pisa ya kani kalat ya khai la tip kum ka cashless transaction ha ka bagi pat ba ki ba play account ha ki bang da ka bapenan kam tang da ki account number jangki Kila ban thiet jing thiet da bapenan kam ya ki mobile banking ki credit card bat ki we ya kani ka jing penchai pa ba la pelong ha khandai lat shlong kabalong ka benta jo kanong ba ha ka bagaya ka yeng chung ki pat ba ka thnem ba.
We have seen a lot of people they don't know about this, so that's why our program here is to make the people awareness, to make them aware that we don't have cash in our pockets, but we can do our marketing, we can do our business by this cashless transaction either by debit card, credit card, even through mobile phone also, simple mobile phone also we can use. So it will make the people also easy in their business transaction or to purchase anything for their marketing. So that is why we are here now. This is first day, second day we are doing this because we want that all the people of Meghalaya also they should get the knowledge and they should know how to do this cashless transaction.